EVS. EVS.
What's up, everyone? My name is Jason Newman, and I wanted to put together a video series. But not just any video series, I wanted to put together a video tutorial series. You see, I'm a former educator, and one of the biggest things I always tried to do was try to find creative and innovative ways to spark the imagination, curiosity, and engagement in my students. That led me to technology. And I use technology as an extra means to really hook my students in and draw them in, get them engaged, and get them curious about their learning. So this video series is centered around that because I think a lot of times we don't have video walkthroughs that are split up into little tiny chunks or segments that allow us to learn something quickly and to put it to use right away. The best part of this whole series is it's not just geared towards educators. It's going to be geared to people from all different sectors, in all different types of jobs. So you can go through, learn a new tool, an edtech tool or a technology tool, and put it to use for you and implement it right away into what you're doing. I think you're going to enjoy this series, so go ahead and check out the other videos, all right?